Take command of the road in the 2020 Ram 1500. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice. Like heated seats, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.